Hi everyone, welcome back to LB Space. Yes, I got this amazing mechanical pocket folding knife as a Megatron on Transformer movie. Yeah, the knife is very cool, as one of Megatron's weapons lost on the Earth, and now I get it. All is a mechanical style of it, both fold and unfold. Pull up the bright grooves and place the handle inside, lock it. You could hear the duck, means you locked it. Yeah, straight and fashionable, things from the mechanism world. Okay, let's place down the reel, unlock it and up the blade. For the blade and hidden inside, shape is nice. The mechanical handle is made of 3 and 14 stainless steel, which has sufficient hardness and toughness. The anti-slip jimpings on the top and bottom of the finger handle gave me a particularly good feeling and a great handle free. It is also easy to open and folding. The blade is made of M3 and 19. That is, hardness and rust resistant are excellent. The blade groove running through the blade looks really cool, with design of 2 straight edges that look really man style. The gravity of the whole knife is also your finger's point, allowing you freely on every cut. The overall size about 8.5 inch, and the blade up to 3.5 inch. Very practically pocket knife. The weight is about 5.11 ounce, which is a good weight. I liked it. The clip can also be hung on your belt, back up, and anytime. Of course, hand layout. Okay, I will test this sharpness functions. Wow, let's begin. Yes, great pocket knife, I think. Let's get details views with my microscope. So this is today's time and day. The mechanical pocket knife that is great and easy to carry gills I want. What should you do if you get it? Want it or post it? Your choice. See you next video.